What's up, YouTube fam? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've had a great day. Want to thank everybody for the support. Want to thank everybody for the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing the channel, and don't forget to like this video so we can keep growing it so it can be found in the searches. But just want to say real quick, I do apologize. I didn't post on this past Friday just because I've been traveling. I went to my wife's father's retirement party that was out of town, and I actually just flew in. But you know, these videos got to be done. So for starting the week, there's a lot that's happening. We definitely want to get into it and look at the account to see where it's at, see where we're growing, and continue to keep going up. So thank you for all your support. We're going to get right into it. So we actually on Friday we traded. We made some good gains. I don't have it on here, but well, actually, you know what? I'm going to pull it up through my history. So on my history, we bought UONE market buy. So we bought 5 shares at $6.19, and this stock has been one of the most volatile stocks I've ever seen. It's got so much volume, it's been crazy. But UONE bought 5 shares. I know it's like, well, it's only 5 shares, but the shares are $16 a piece. We ended up selling it at $18.36 per share. So we actually made a pretty nice little profit there, and that was pretty cool. So we're growing on that one. We ended up buying, and actually I apologize. Oh wait, I do have it zoomed up. So we actually did end up buying, and I'm gonna pull this down, 10 shares of NIU Technologies. And one of the things that I want to show with this one is that I purchased this at $18.64 a share. So on Friday, I purchased it right around here. It grew. I could have sold off right here, but I wanted to kind of allow it to give it a couple more days so that you can, so I can see it grow. And then it kind of took a dip, and it went down all the way to, you know, ended out the day with $16.50 per share. And the biggest thing is like, oh man, I should have sold. I should have, you know, cut my losses, or I should have sold it whenever it was at its peak. But that's the thing, you don't know when it's at its peak. But this is one thing, I'm holding on to these shares. Hopefully I can sell them tomorrow or on Tuesday. But let's look at it like this. So if we look back at a week from a week ago on this stock, it was at $11. Let's look back at a month. It was at $9. Let's look back 3 months. It was at $6. So as you can see, this is a huge growing stock. And so for me, to sell and try to cut my losses, I know I'm down $21, but this stock has been increasingly growing, and I feel that because of what it's doing in the lithium-ion battery-powered e-scooters, that really is a big market now, and it's going to continue to be a big market. And so we're going to hold on to it and, you know, see where it goes tomorrow. And so that's why I didn't sell off. I held on to those stocks, but I believe that it's going to grow. And so when we look at what happened on Friday, you know, we had that growth where it went up, and then we kind of went down. But, you know, that's going to happen. This is a part of the stock market. The biggest thing that kills, you know, first-time investors or beginners is being afraid to lose money. It's a part of the game. It's a part of the journey. You're going to gain money and you're going to lose money on different days, and it's just going to happen. But looking at the history, being strategic, making sure that whatever you're doing, you're not doing it off of emotions, but you're making logical decisions, just like what I did with NIU. I'm looking at the long term. I'm looking at its history, and because of its great history, I'm going to hold on to the stock, and I'm not going to try to cut my losses. So really looking forward to seeing what it does tomorrow. You know, I hope, you know, it goes above 20. That would be great. We'll make some good gains, make some money off that stock. But I really appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the comments. The channel is growing. We're getting tons of views, you know, for a starting channel. Just want to remind everybody, if you are starting a new RobinHood account, I do have my link in the description so that you can get a free stock with that link. And you know what? It's going to benefit me too. I'm going to get a free stock, and we can grow our portfolios together. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button for this video so it can grow. And I really appreciate all the support. This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Y'all have a wonderful day.